Indonesia. I did say that this is the city of gudeg, and yes, gudeg is a native of Jogja and it's a favorite that you can find in any corner of the city. But I want to find a local favorite that's traditional and a favorite for the people here. But that calls for breaking into someone's house. We're actually in the owner's house. The kitchen is right there. And we're gonna order right there. Come on, let's check it out.
Dada, kepala, telur, atas ya?
Atas, Pak. Ini kuncinya gudegnya biar enak. Apa, Pak? Bumbunya.
Iya. Pas.
Udah bertahun-tahun pas, Pak ya.
Iya. Nggak boleh dikurangi, dilebihi.
Yap. Terima kasih, Bapak.
Right, we're gonna check this out.
Tiap hari. Makasih ya Bu, Pak.
So I was a bit hush-hush in there because the family actually lives here. I didn't want to disturb them. But here's what I got. There you go. This is the gudeg, and the gudeg part is actually this. This is unripe jackfruit vegetable cooked in palm sugar and also coconut milk. And yes, you guessed it. It is sweet. And the gudeg always comes with the chicken stew and egg stew, both cooked in coconut milk. And this is the good part. This is cow skin stew in curry sauce. I can't wait to try this. There you go. Oh, that's a home run right there. The sweetness is just right. And the texture, oh, that is so good. All right. Next is our chicken. Let's see how this goes. Oh, yeah. It's super tender. Super savory. Super creamy. Oh, I like that. So good. All right. First up, we are going to try the cow skin stew. Oh wow, that's another home run. It's very tender, and you know sometimes you get these ones where it's very rubbery. This one is not that. Oh yeah, that is so good. Oh wow. Call ourselves lucky to get that. Because in just 2 hours, they're out. But we got more in store. Which brings us here to Kota Gede, just east of the city. Famous for its exotic alleyways behind the ancient Mataram kingdom background, it's got treats that take you back centuries, but sadly on the brink of extinction. Look at all these pretty colors. But I want one that's from this area. Let's see what they got. Nyuwun sewu, Ibu. Ibu, aku lagi nyari kue yang khas Kota Gede.
Oh iya.
Apa aja Bu yang ada? So this is a unique one right from here. It's called kue pipo. Why is it named that? That's exactly the name. What is it? In Javanese, iki opo. Story goes the Sultan came here and asked iki opo, which means what is this? And then it became a name, pipo. Okay, let's give it a shot. There's glutinous rice, and in the middle of it is yeah, it's very sweet. Coconut and also brown sugar. Oh yeah, it's really good. Look at that. Tak coba Bu ya. So this is basically a pancake. It's shaped into a flower, hence the name kembang waru.
Juga zaman dulu.
Zaman dulu.
Ada Mataram.
It's very old, since the kingdom times. Kingdom of Mataram. Apa nih?
Ini namanya legomuro.
Legomuro.
Kalau zaman dulu kan karena pas ada hajatan mantan itu kan,
Ya.
kan itu misalnya musanggan, olah-olah itu loh. Itu biasanya misalnya ditaruh gini.
Ya.
Itu katanya kalau lego itu terus ke sana moro gitu. Karena hatinya udah puas lego.
Lego. Oke.
Manis-manis.
It's glutinous rice, it's chicken, it's savory, but it's sweet at the same time because they use brown sugar as well, Javanese sugar. This is really good. Oke Bu, saya ambil kayak 5 gitu loh ya. Oke. Well, that was a blast to the past worth tasting. And that's only a little piece of the city we covered. Rest assured, Jogja will always give you a story worth telling.